guys, this is Donna Coker with Donna Coker's a Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and today we're going to cut Midnight Man. I actually did not get to record a video making this soap because my husband was here and we were having discussions and so it actually turned out really pretty on the top. Sorry about the shadow. I'm in my office again. So let's cut into this and see what we got. Oh, very nice. Very nice swirl. This is a fragrance from a dupe of the Bath & Body scent Midnight for Men. And I understand that a lot of people like it. It behaved beautifully in the soap. It did not accelerate. It did not discolor. It absolutely behaved beautifully. And I understand it's a popular scent, but I am not a huge fan of it. So, you know, just go figure. But to each their own. My son really loved it, and my husband said it was really nice. I'm more of an Ed Hardy, love is a gamble scent type lady, so I tried a new type of swirl, and it actually worked really nice in the first few bars. I really like the first few. Looks like it got a little bit muddled towards the middle, but it's still not a bad swirl. Still actually not a bad swirl at all. So if people like this scent, I would definitely not mind working with it again because, like I said, it worked beautifully. There was no acceleration. There was no discoloration. I'm actually cutting about, I think, an hour and a half early. Because I made these pretty late last night. Well, it wasn't incredibly late, but it was late enough that I just didn't want to wait that late to cut them. And they're actually cutting quite well. So I'm really pleased with that. Oh, that's a really nice swirl too. But I do think my very favorite swirl of the entire cut was the very first one, actually. So, anyway, that is Midnight Man, and it's going to be in the classic collection. No bells and whistles because it's for a man. I did put just a little bit of silver mica on one side of it on the top, just to give it a little character because I can't leave the top of soap alone. So anyway, if you like this video, please consider watching some others, maybe hitting like and subscribe. And if you hit the little bell, you'll get a notification when we upload new videos. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye, guys.